Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use the ChatGPT voice assistant. This tool lets you interact with ChatGPT using just your voice. Let's get started. Open your Google Play Store and search for ChatGPT. Look for the app developed by OpenAI and install it. Once installed, open the app. If you already have an OpenAI account, log in. If not, you'll need to create a new account. To access the voice assistant, look for the microphone icon in the chat box. This is where you'll input your voice commands. If you want a full voice chat experience, look for the headphone icon near the chat box. Tap on it to enter voice chat mode. Press and hold the circle button to speak to ChatGPT. Release it when you are done speaking to send your voice message. When you're finished, simply press the exit button to end your voice chat. ChatGPT will transcribe your voice input and provide a written response. Now let's try it out. Hello, how are you doing today?
What specifically would you like to know about how ChatGPT works? For example, are you curious about its features, capabilities, or how it processes information?
I'm just interested in your well-being given that a lot of people have been on ChatGPT these days.
That's a thoughtful question. As an AI, I don't have feelings or well-being in the human sense, so I don't get disturbed or tired. I'm always ready to help, no matter how many questions come my way. How about you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. I'm teaching my audience how to chat with you anytime. Hope you are available to listen to them.
That's great to hear. Yes, I'm always available to chat and help whenever needed. If there's anything specific you'd like me to share with your audience, just let me know.
Please just tell them to subscribe to this channel and always turn on the notification button to see more of our content.
Sure. Be sure to subscribe to this video and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on more great content. Thanks for watching.